Start. Well. Oh, what's up, y'all? I'm back. Okay. So sometimes it takes a while to start and stuff like that, you know. While I'm cooking, my friend Erica cooks. She was doing a Facebook Live while she was cooking. I sure would love to try her cooking, you know. Erica, if you're watching this, if this video shows up on your Facebook timeline, I'm mentioning you. Yes, you can cook, but I sure would love to try your cooking. Okay. I sure wish I could try cooking, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. I would love to try cooking. Okay. So I'm about to show y'all what I'm using. I just put this peach tea in and this ragu. I'm gonna try both of that. Yes, I would. Okay. Well, it's a possibility Angel gonna be watching this. Yeah. I'm gonna mention Angel on my show. Well, I'm gonna put it to you. I don't even know when Angel gonna. Yeah. There we go. I don't even know when Angel is gonna watch this show. You know. One time, she thought I didn't like her. You know. Well, I don't know if her mom is watching this or not. You know. So I must say, Angel thought I didn't like her. You know. I love Angel. You know. I wish she gets to appear on my show one day. You know. Yep. I would love that, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. So one day y'all gonna call me to my cousin Riley's graduation. Okay. If she have enough invitations, you know. Okay. This is on. Yeah, this is on. I'm gonna put the spaghetti in a few minutes. Okay. Cause y'all know me and Brock gotta eat. You know. Yep. Bake us some chicken. We ain't gonna have no fried chicken until Mardi Gras, you know. So I'm gonna say I'll be right back, y'all. Sorry. Okay. Well, I'm gonna try to put that television on. Oh shoot. I'm coming, y'all. So. All right, I'll try to put that television on in the dining room while I'm still cooking, you know. Yep. Erica, I sure would love to try cooking though, you know. I'm pretty sure she cooks good though. I wonder if she cook good like Shamika, you know. She can cook spaghetti, she cook neck bones and stuff like that. And Shamika too camera shy, you know. I sure wish I could break her out of that camera shyness, you know. Yep. So like I say, Shamika means a lot to me. She my best friend, you know. Just like Brittany, you know. So I don't even know if Brittany gonna be watching this video or not. You know, her and Danny, they I haven't met Danny yet. You know. Okay. So and I don't know if you folks have ever met Danny yet. You know. Well, I don't know if he been featured in the YouTube video or not. You know, he was marching the parade I didn't even know about, you know. Okay, so anyway, y'all, I don't even know if Brittany want me to mention all that. Brittany gonna whoop my booty. At least my auntie Sandra met Erica and Brittany, you know. And then Valerie asks, do I bother? Oh no, he my friend. Yep. Thank you, Brittany, for taking up for me. And defending me, you know. I love you for that, Brittany. If you're watching this. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Well, next time, y'all, I don't know if another storm gonna hit us or not, you know. Mm-hmm. Even if I reach the top, I'm still gonna need my family. I'm not gonna think I'm better than somebody. When you get something good in your life, do not act like a jerk, okay? Don't act like a jerk, because you know some people when they reach the top, get famous or whatever, they act like big jerks, you know. They act like big jerks, you know. Because I'm gonna need my family while I'm still up, because I don't even know if I'll ever go back down, you know. Like they say, don't step on somebody while you're up, because the same person you step on, you gonna see that same person when you go down, if you go down, you know. So I'm not gonna forget about my good people that brought me up to the top, though. That's why I do gaming, you know. I do gaming. I do everything y'all could possibly want me to do, you know. Possibly. Mm-hmm. That's how it is, y'all. That's how it is. Mm-hmm. Yep. So, rest in peace to Bob Saget. Rest in peace to Betty White. They are truly missed, you know. NBC ain't gonna never be the same without Bob Saget. You know, well, NBC and ABC will not be the same without Bob Saget. So I'm gonna put it like this: first ABC, then NBC. You know, ABC will never be the same without Bob Saget. You know, talk about ABC. You know, and NBC, because y'all know he was also hosting. He was hosting One versus 100. I love that game show because of Bob Saget and Ken Jennings. You know, because of those two, Bob Saget and Ken Jennings is the reason why I was watching One versus 100, because of Ken Jennings. Even when he left the show, you know, I was still watching it, you know. But I have a question for Ken Jennings. If Ken Jennings is watching this video on YouTube, I have a question for you. What do you think of Bob Saget when he was on One versus 100? Were you cool with him or something? Like you were cool with Alex Trebek? I'm pretty sure you were, you know. It is heartbreaking about what happened to Bob Saget, you know. Mm-hmm. Even though he wasn't Bob Barker, you know, I enjoy Bob Barker, you know. So this year he gonna be 99, you know. Betty White was older than Bob Barker, you know. So I mean, I was very, very sure that Betty White was gonna make it to her 100th birthday, you know. I was very sure about that, you know. Mm-hmm. I watched Betty White on Golden Girls, and I still say NBC. Who's watching me? Oh, hello. And I still say NBC will not be the same without Betty White, you know. NBC not the same without the Golden Girls, you know. Without Rue McClane, Estelle Getty, and B. Arthur, okay? Beatrice Arthur, you know. They all in heaven, and NBC will never be the same without them. Because if we ever lose Bill Cosby, NBC definitely ain't going to be the same without him either. You know? I'm not going to say CBS or ABC, because truthfully in my category, Bill Cosby don't belong on CBS or ABC, NBC. And speaking of the Cosby Show, supposed to be on ABC, ABC done dropped it, you know. Technically, Bill Cosby, the Cosby Show didn't belong on ABC, you know. It only belonged on NBC, you know. NBC, you know, National Broadcast Company. Okay. Yep. So, like I said, I love NBC because, you know, Bill Cosby is the reason why I love NBC, you know. Okay, so I love NBC because of Bill Cosby, you know. So I'm not gonna talk about the negatives about that, you know, about whatever happened. So keep the negativity off the Domino 7 show. I don't care if I get a lot of views for negativity, but I don't need no negativity on the Domino 7 show, you know. Okay, so I still say NBC would never be the same without Betty White. And yes, I miss Betty White being on TV. I gotta throw this away. Okay. So, will NBC and YouTube be the same without me? Well, who knows? Well, Nick at Night ain't gonna be the same. Well, Nick at Night ain't the same without anybody, you know. Nick at Night, TV Land, Iron on Television, the Hallmark Channel, Oxygen, you know, the Oxygen Channel, and BET Her, and BET in general, you know, MTV, VH1, you know, VH1. I like VH1 as well, you know. Y'all see Domino with that mask on? Yeah. After this, I'm gonna do my gaming show, you know. Yeah. They say cook it up. I'm cooking it up. I am cooking it up. Cooking it up. Look at all this. Cook it up. 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 Yep, Domino 7 is cooking it up. Cooking it up. Cooking it up. Cook it up. Cook it up. Cook it up, baby. Cook it up. Cook it up. Cook it up. I like to take tacos. Cook it up. Cook it up. Cook it up. Cook it up. Boom, boom. Cook it up. Cooking some spaghetti. Not cooking no chicken. Not cooking chicken. Ah. Not cooking chicken. Ah. Not cooking chicken. Ah. Not cooking spaghetti. Well, I'm cooking spaghetti. Ah. Not cooking pizza. Not cooking pizza. Not cooking tacos. Cooking some spaghetti. Cooking some spaghetti. Cooking some spaghetti. Cooking some spaghetti. Ooh. That's enough. It just stabbed me. Ooh. All right. All right, y'all. I wonder who else gonna watch this video. I sure hope Erica gonna watch this, especially Brittany. You know. I don't know who else is watching this from New Iberia. Okay. If anybody know Tanya from New Iberia, that has a lot of Tanyas in New Iberia. You know, I only know 2 Tanyas. You know, I'm not gonna say where one works at. I don't even know if she still work at that place. But there's another Tanya I know. I met her in 2008. You know, she have gold teeth. She used to work at. I'm not gonna say where. You know. Used to be right by my house. A store right by my house. Well, my old house where I used to stay at. You know. Well, wherever that Tanya is. You know. All right, so anyway, speaking of a Tanya though, okay, she's the only Tanya that appeared on my show. You know, look at the best of the Domino 7 show, and see if y'all can find it. Okay, all right, so all right, tell Tanya how your boy Domino 7 is doing. You know. She's not friends with me on Facebook anymore. I don't even know if she ever be on Facebook. She always delete her Facebook, then put it back, delete it, put it back, delete it, put it back. Make up your mind for God's sake. Okay? Make up your mind for God's sake, okay? Yeah, so I don't even know if so somebody somebody might show this video though. Well, I don't know if I should say a full name on here or what, Lil T, you know. So, Tanya, aka Lil T, from New Iberia, you know. Yep, so thank you to my friend Kirsten D, you know, she never appeared on my show. I begged her to be on my show. She said she wanted to be on my show, you know, but never had that chance, you know. Kirsten, if you're watching this, I hope I see you when I come visit New Iberia, okay? If you see Tanya, tell Tanya I'm gonna come visit, okay, when this pandemic toned down a little bit, you know. And as a matter of fact, I'm too busy, you know, doing my shows, doing my gaming and stuff like that, you know. All right, so that's all Domino 7 got to say. Okay, I'm about to finish cooking up. Cooking it up, and made some tea, all right? Thank y'all for watching, all right? Bye.